Hey everyone, so just ignore my voice. I just have allergies and it's a little off right now. This video is going to be on the Falscara Studio lash extensions, and this is the one from Ulta. So right now I know Ulta is having a sale and so is Sephora, but I went to Ulta to also get my birthday gift. So if you don't know, for April, you can go get your gift. Every month has it. Do exactly how you're going to do the steps. So I think that's going to be really easy. And then it gives you everything you need inside. So we're going to open it up and check it out. I've done a lash set before from another brand, but it was hard. So we're going to try it again and we're going to see if I got it this time. And so first we're going to go in with the infused bond, and then we're going to go underneath the lash and then place the lashes on. Then we're going to lock it in with the water seal and then the Bondi Boost. And then this is the cleanser to remove the lashes after you're done wearing them. So I really like the fluffy set. I like the light set too, but I think I'm going more for this fluffy look. And then if I decide to stack, then I'll probably just add some of these, the spiky or the light. With the infused bond first. So I could already feel the little tackiness from the glue, so I'm happy about that. Now I'm going to take off the longest length from the fluffy set and apply it at the end. One side with the lashes all the way across, but I think I'm going to stack them. They're not as full that I want them to be. I think making it fluffier was better. I think for me, it's just trying to get it closest to the lash line has been my little struggle, but it came out. I think they came out so good. I pretty much used all of the fluffy and then a mix of the others. So I'm going to put the water resistant seal now. And okay, so the water seal is definitely, you don't want to touch your eyeball. And then I stacked it, so I'm just going to put it on top. Really a 10 out of 10 if you're a beginner and you're just learning how to put on false lashes. Take your time, have Q-tips on hand to clean up, and I definitely think when you're learning how to work to squish the lashes together with the tool or your fingers, you can figure it out. Definitely want just natural and you just want to follow the guideline and just use one strip, you could. I like the fluffier look, so I just added mine more. Let me know what you think. Definitely go buy yours, go try it out. See you in the next video.